Recently, I made a video where I was discussing that around 50% of our graduates are not employable. It means they are lacking skills. They are not having any real life skill कि उनके बेसिस पर कोई भी एम्प्लॉयर उनको हायर करे या फिर कोई भी उन्हें कोई जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी दे. Every year lakhs of students graduate, but it is very shocking that only few of them are having those potential opportunities. Most of them are failing to land better job and most of them are lacking skill at all. In this video, I will be covering a very important topic. If you are a student, if you are that person who is in their 20s, who is in their teenage and who is about to enter any college, then why you should start freelancing. Recently, I also made a video whose thumbnail and whose title was that don't start freelancing. And in this video, I am telling that why every student should start freelancing. So you may think okay, what I am gonna say and what I am thinking right now. See, every student is a student because he wants their life to be better in future. Everyone is a student to build their better career, to build their better future. So they are pursuing any degree in hope that after completing that degree, I will be able to land a better job so that I can improve my family's condition, right? But our education system is all failing and the traditional academics is failing to give those things which every student need to build a better career, like building a real life skill, improving their soft skills and giving a better mindset to build a career. It is limiting every student, it is not encouraging the skill of any student, and at the end every student is ending up following the same path which is not leading them to build a better career. So there should be some solution because every student is following the same path and because of that every student is going to face the same issue and we cannot change the academics entirely. It is likely to improve the education system. So we need to have some additional things which will give a student those things which every student require to build a better career, and that's why freelancing comes. Freelancing can be a better option and freelancing is a better option, not an only option. Apart from that, there are many options from where a student can acquire skills, student can acquire more knowledge and build a better career. I'm not saying that freelancing is an only option and freelancing should be chosen by every student to build their career. मेरा ये पॉइंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि फ्रीलांसिंग को आप एक लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए चूज़ करो अपने करियर के लिए या फिर फ्रीलांसिंग सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन है टू बिल्ड अ बेटर करियर. आज एक स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम 9th स्टैंडर्ड नोज हाउ टू कोड DM, हाउ टू अप्रोच एनी बिग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, एनी बिग कंटेंट क्रिएटर और एनी वन बिग टू सीक हेल्प, टू सीक गाइडेंस, टू अप्रोच फॉर वर्क or to build connection. She knows how to improve her soft skills. She knows how to build good connections with big people. And how? Just because of starting freelancing. I will tell you how freelancing helps. Before that, you need to see what freelancing gives. And I have discussed this thing in many videos. Still, as a part of this series, how to freelance, I will discuss here again that what exactly freelance gives to every student and how it helps every student building their career, building themselves, from building a skill to building better connections to getting experience in working in real life. It gives everything from skill to money. It gives everything that every student will need to build a better career. First thing everyone need is a better skill, a skill which the world requires. As I say that we humans are a resource. और कोई एक चीज़ रिसोर्स कब होता है? जब उसके अंदर कोई एक खासियत होती है, कोई उसके अंदर ऐसी चीज़ होती है जिसका हम यूज़ कर सकें टू इम्प्रूव आवर लाइफ स्टाइल, टू ईज आवर लाइफ, राइट? Therefore, a person needs a better skill to survive, to earn and to live. और जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि our education system is lacking behind giving a better skill to every student, तो फ्रीलांसिंग उस कमी को पूरा करने वाली है और करती भी है. एक इंसान जब भी कोई फ्रीलांसिंग स्टार्ट करता है तो सबसे पहले क्या करता है? पिकिंग अ स्किल. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन फ्रीलांसिंग गिव्स दैट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग नीड्स. तो इससे बड़ी और क्या वजह हो सकती है हर एक स्टूडेंट को फ्रीलांसिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए? सो इट गिव्स अ स्किल एंड देन इट गिव्स अ पोर्टफोलियो. एज यू कैन सी कि आज वो इंजीनियर जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में पूरी उनकी इंजीनियरिंग है वो जॉब कर रहे हैं इन CS फील्ड. तो आज की डिमांड क्या है? आज की हम डिमांड समझते हैं कि आज जो है ना वो एम्प्लॉयर डिग्री से ज़्यादा पोर्टफोलियो और स्किल पर फोकस करते हैं. अगर आपके पास बहुत सारी डिग्री है बट यू डोंट हैव एनी पोर्टफोलियो और यू डोंट हैव एनी स्किल, देन इट इज़ लिटरली इम्पॉसिबल टू गेट हायर्ड. एंड दैट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड the unemployable of 50% graduates. And when you start freelancing, you first of all build a skill, and then you build a portfolio, and then to approach for work, you build better connections, and then getting the experience of working in real life. अब जब तक स्कूल या कॉलेजेस में होते हो ना, यू डोंट नो कि रियल लाइफ में कैसे काम किया जाता है, रियल लाइफ कैसे काम करता है, प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ से बिल्कुल आप दूर रहते हो. बट इफ़ यू स्टार्ट फ्रीलांसिंग, देन डिस्पाइट ऑफ योर एज, एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, योर लोकेशन, you get experience of working in real life with real clients. That is the thing freelancing gives. And at the end, our last thing is financial. Despite of your age, educational background, your location, your accent, your everything, you can earn money because you have a skill, you have portfolio, you have connections, you have experience, then you can earn. So there are 5 reasons that I think is enough for every student to start freelancing, and that's why I encourage to every student that he should start by picking a skill. जब आप कोई एक स्किल पिक कर लोगे, देन एवरीथिंग विल बी वेरी इजी. फिर रास्ते अपने आप खुलते जाएंगे. जब आप कोई स्किल सीख लोगे, देन यू विल प्रैक्टिस. जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, तब आपकी पोर्टफोलियो बनेगी, एंड देन व्हेन यू विल हैव अ पोर्टफोलियो, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल बिल्ड कनेक्शंस, एंड देन यू विल अप्रोच फॉर वर्क. जब आप काम करोगे, देन यू विल गेट एक्सपीरियंस. जब आपको एक्सपीरियंस होगा, देन एट द एंड यू विल बी अर्निंग. सो आई होप you have got something, and I hope it is now clear कि why every student should start freelancing, because you have got a lot of free time. You can do very productive things by choosing your spare time. Enough for this episode. In the next episode of How to Freelance, I will be covering what are the best skills that every beginner should learn, or that every beginner can learn to start freelancing. So till then, take care, keep exploring, and have a good day.